Good morning, Newington, and welcome to one of the strangest singing assemblies ever. In a long run of very strange singing assemblies. It's unique because you are at home, I'm here all alone, and yet we're going to be joined by the joy of singing together. So good morning, Newington. I hope you're well and keeping safe and happy. If only I had a guitar. Amazing. So we're going to start off with a little song we stole from the scouting community. Are you ready? Sing along with me. Let's warm up these voices. Everywhere we go, people always ask us, who we are, and where we come from, So we tell them, we're from Newington, and if they cannot hear us, we sing a little louder, sing a little prouder, Ambition Newington, aspiration Newington, achievement Newington. If they cannot hear us, we put a big smile on our faces and get ready to sing. Ring-a-ding-ding and a ming-bing-bing. So, the first song we're going to do this morning is the reading song. It's a song you know well. Let's just go through the words and then we'll sing it with the words up on the screen. So mums and dads, guinea pigs, gerbils, hamsters and feathered creatures can join in at home. And dogs.
Yeah! What about the press on?
So it goes. When I'm reading, I am succeeding. I pick up a book and take a look. My mind just starts to grow. When I'm reading, I feel so free. I'm turning pages, spending ages when friends are on my own. I love to read. I love to read. I love to read. And read and read and read. I love to read. I love to read. I love to read. And read and read and read. I love to read. So that's the first verse done. The second verse says, any type of books, any type of theme, study the pictures, read the words and find out what they mean. Any type of books, any type of theme, study the pictures, read the words and find out what they mean. Back to the first verse, here we go. When I'm reading, I am succeeding. I pick up the book and take a look, my mind just starts to grow. When I'm reading, I feel so free. I'm turning pages, spending ages, friends are on my own. I love to read. I love to read. I read and read and read. I love to read. I love to read. I love to read. And read and read and read. I love to read. The very last part of the song, we're going to split into two teams. A's against B's, wasps against lizards, whatever you call your names. But team one has to do fictions, explanations, instructions, fairy tales, horror books and joke books, cookbooks, max as well, and sing it 4 times. Team B, you have to sing fictions, explanations, instructions, fairy tales, horror books and joke books, cookbooks, max as well, twice. But then you're going to sing when I'm reading, I am succeeding, and the two songs are going to blend like a big melting pot of goo. So let's give a little demonstration of how it might sound. So whatever team you are, one team sings 4 times. Fictions, explanations, instructions, fairy tales, horror books and joke books, cookbooks, max as well. Same time. Fictions, explanations, instructions, fairy tales, horror books and joke books, cookbooks, max as well. When I'm reading, I am succeeding. Fairy tales, I pick up the books and take books. My love is max as well. When I'm reading, I feel so free. Smiling faces, spending friends all on my own. I love to read. And now it's your turn for the big performance. Remember to sing it loud and sing it proud, but with a mighty spoonful of the tuneful.
When I'm reading, I am succeeding. I pick up a book and take a look. My mind just
We're now joined by a lovely singer. Her name is Molly. Her singing is a little bit rough and she's a little barking, but she follows the leads. She's fine. Anyway, I took her for a walk this morning, keeping a safe distance 2 meters apart from anybody, and we saw lots of magic things. That me and Molly, we saw. Do you remember? It was a wiggly waggly worm. We saw that. A slippery slimy slug, a creepy crawly buzzy thing, and a tickly wiggly bug. And I remember Molly saying, "Of all the things to be, I'm happy that I'm me. Thank you, Lord, I'm happy that I'm me." I think you know this one. It says, "Happy that I'm me, I'm happy that's me. There's no one else in all the world that I would like to be. Molly, that a wiggly waggly worm, a slippery slimy slug, a creepy crawly buzzy thing, a tickly wiggly bug." And then, a bit further, and we saw a prickly porcupine, a clumsy kangaroo, a croaky frog, a hairy hog, a monkey in the zoo. Of all the things to be, I'm happy that I'm me. Thank you, Lord, I'm happy that I'm me. I'm happy that I'm me. I'm happy that's me. There's no one else in all the world that I would rather be than a prickly porcupine, a clumsy kangaroo, a croaky frog, a hairy hog, a monkey in a zoo. And now we're going to sing Wiggly Waggly Worm with the words. Parents join in. It's a lovely song. Children, you can lead this one. Molly, anything to say? No? Okay. And to finish today's singing assembly is a song all about the world and all about being a part of the world. Sometimes, especially over the next few days and weeks, it might seem that we're apart from everybody at times, and please try and make sure you stay in contact by phone. I know a lot of you have gadgets that you can sort of contact people. Don't feel isolated, even though there are times we have to be alone. This is called I'm a Small Part of a Big World. Actually, I'm not sure that is the title. I don't think we've ever named it properly, but I know you know the song. And it goes, I'm a small part in this big world. If I play my part in this big, big world, and I give my heart to this big, big world, I can make it a better place to live. Now my friends also, they do these actions as well. They say, I'm a small part in this big world. If I play my part in this big, big world, and I give my heart to this big, big world, I can make it a better place to live. So rather like a Joe Wicks workout, you can do your little hand movements while you're singing, okay? It's our world song, we'll call it today. 1, 2, 3. I'm a small part in this big world. If I play my part in this big, big world, and I give my heart to this big, big world, I can make it a better place to live. I'm a small part in this big world. If I play my part in this big, big world, and I give my heart to this big, big world, I can make it a better place to live. big note here. And we will learn to live together. No, I couldn't get. And we will learn from one another and build a better world forever for everyone. For everyone. I'm a small part in this big world. If I play my part in this big, big world, and I give my heart to this big, big world, I can make it a better place to live. Just to finish off, you sing it on your own. You ready? I'm a small and I love that. Now, keep playing a part in your big world, keep being lovely to the people at home, keep working as a team, keep enjoying this sunshine. And I hope to see you very, very soon. Until the next time, we'll do Easter special next week. Goodbye and see you soon.